Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about the coordinate geometry in chapter 5. Now let us see the next example. Then before video we can finish that first example. See that next model. Example number 1. Plot the following points, that is given points, okay, A, B, C, D. Here also 4 points are given. So point A is 2, 2. So plus 2 comma plus 2. Point B is minus 2 plus 2. Point C is minus 1, minus 2 minus 1. Point D is 2 comma minus 1. You can plot these 4 points on the Cartesian plane, in the Cartesian plane. After that, find the type of the diagram. So you have to find out the type of which diagram, okay, here we can form, okay. So you have to find out that which diagram. So find the type of diagram by joining all the points taken in order. After plotting the points, 4 points, you can join all these points A, B, C, D. You can join all these 4 points, then you will get one shape. So you have to find out what shape that one, okay. Find out the type of the diagram. What is the shape you have to find out, okay. Now let us see the solution for this sum. Now first you have to draw the x dash and y dash. Mark the numbers one by one. The center 0. So here positive side is in that x axis. Here right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. Here in that y axis upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers. You have to mark all as usual. Everything you can mark it. After that only you have to mark the given points. The first point A is 2, 2. Both are okay, x and y, x coordinate and y coordinate both are positive. So that is that point A is lie on the quadrant number 1. Okay, see here in the x axis 2 is here. You can draw the dotted lines. So here in that y axis plus 2. So here point A 2, 2. Okay, the first point is over. Now see the second point. Second point, that is B equal to minus 2 comma plus 2. See here, this that the second point is on the second quadrant. Okay, point B minus 2 comma plus 2. Okay, here minus 2 in that x axis, here plus 2 here. Okay, in that y axis plus 2. So you can mark the point B minus 2 comma plus 2. See the third point. Point C is minus 2 comma minus 1. Point C, both are negative. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Both negative means that is in the third quadrant. Point C is minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, third one minus 2 comma minus 1. See here minus 2 in that y axis, minus 1 is here. Okay, put the point here. Point C is minus 2 comma minus 1. See the fourth point. Point D is plus 2 minus 1. See here plus 2 and minus 1. Plus and minus. That is in that point D lie on that fourth quadrant. Okay. Plus 2 in that x axis plus 2, x coordinate, y coordinate minus 1. So here plus 2 and minus 1. So mark the point D 2 comma minus 1. After finishing this one, okay, after marking all the points, you just join all these points A, B, C, D. By using a ruler, you have to join this. So then you will get what is the shape of this one. You have to find out here. Each one 1 centimeter only. This one length base here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 centimeter. Here this side breadth is 1, 2, 3 centimeter. 4 centimeter. L is 4 centimeter. B is 3 centimeter. So this is a shape. What shape is this? Rectangle shape. So the diagram is rectangle. The given answer. The answer you have to write like this. The given shape is rectangle. You have to write like this. Given shape is rectangle. Is it clear? Let's see the second example. Plot the following points and join them. You have to plot the given points and then join what is your conclusion about the resulting figure. So after that you have to find out, you joined all these given points, and then what is the conclusion about that picture you have to tell. So first one is minus 5 comma 3. So you not given the name means you have to give the name. Point A minus 5 comma 3, point B minus 1 comma 3, point C 1 comma 3, point D 5 comma 3. So you have to plot these 4 points on the Cartesian plane. After that you can join them, and then what is your conclusion you have to write down. This is the question. So now let us see the solution for this one. As usual you can mark in x dash, okay, x dash, y dash, everything you can mark it, and then write all the points 1 2 3 continuous, positive and negative, here upside positive, downside negative, everything you can finish it. After that you can start. Point A is, the point A is given minus 5 comma 3, okay, see that one, minus 5. Point A minus 5 comma 3. First is in the x-axis, minus 5. Where is it? Here in this side, left hand side, minus 5 comma plus 3. So here you can join this points. Point A minus 5 comma 3. Now the next point, point B minus 1 comma 3. See here, minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 plus 3. This one is the point B minus 1 comma 3. Okay. Now next one, point C is 0 comma 3. 0, okay, 0 is both common for x and y axis both. 0 comma 3 plus 3. Here this one is the point C, 0 comma 3. Next one, point D, 5 comma 3 plus 5. Where is it? Here in the x axis, plus 5 and 3. Here you can mark the point D, 5 comma 3. Okay, now you can join, these are all the 4 points, point A, point B, point C, point D. By using your ruler you can join all these given points. Okay, so after marking the point you can join all these points by using your ruler. So you can join all this, you can extend the line, put that arrow mark both side. These are all, these 4 points lie on the same line. So what is your conclusion? That is the question. So the answer, this line, okay, answer line, solution line is parallel to the x coordinate. Okay, this line is, this is the solution line. Okay, this line is parallel to the x coordinate, x axis. So the given points form a straight line. That straight line parallel to the x coordinate. That is the answer. So the given points lie on a straight line. Okay. So that is collinear points. So the given points lie on a straight line. So this straight line is parallel to the x-axis. The straight line is parallel to the x coordinate. Parallel to the x coordinate. This is the solution you have to write. Okay. So first one is given points lie on the same straight line. The straight line is parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis or x coordinate, whatever it is you have to write. This is the conclusion about the solution. Okay. Is it clear?